amazing. Looks like a complete classic poster. Thank you so much. Should we open it?
Yes, ready. One, two, three. Whoa.
We rocks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, go on this camera. Sir, Sandeep sir. Thank you.
Especially with Sandeep and Neha. The reason I would like to say is, I am always inspired by this girl Neha. She has been associated with me for the past 4 years, yeah, approximately. And when I first heard her story, I was very inspired. Her life experience, I should not say story, but her life experience, I was very inspired. Looking back at every woman nowadays and in the past who have always, it is the life of not only Sainadri but every woman that she is talking about in life. The life of Draupadi, who was a strong woman then and the strong woman now. There is a drastic change, but nothing has really changed. It's only on the outer. We are still struggling to reach where we are, though we have turned out to be very stronger now. So she has always been my inspiration, and I really thought that she deserved to be on the cover with this play, along with Sandeep, and that is the reason why I chose this. Totally deserving, I must say. Totally one of its kind, star of the evening. Please tell us your experience working with Sandeep and enacting this very, very tough character.
So the first question, my expression dance forms मैंने कभी किए नहीं थे, तो मुझे बहुत नए तरीके से सब कुछ सीखना पड़ा. So to learn something new at this age when you're really grown up is really difficult. So कथक मेरे लिए is a cakewalk because 3 साल की थी तब से कथक जानती हूँ. It's in my veins. But ये सब सीखना बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग था. और सेरेंद्री करते करते सेरेंद्री का मतलब किसको पता है यहाँ पे? Who knows the meaning of सेरेंद्री? सेरेंद्री was the name of Draupadi when she was in the exile. जब वो अपना अज्ञातवास कर रही थी कीचक के महल में थी, तो वो वहाँ पे मेड सर्वेंट की तरह काम करती थी. So maid servant. So Sairendri, today's woman is Sairendri. It's just that part what we are actually doing. So modern maid. So that's how. been challenging, but it has been made easy for me by Sandeep ji. And Shobhali, so much thank you for for giving this opportunity to be on the cover page.
Pleasure is all.
Thank you so much. But December also you put me on the cover. Yes. And now again I'm on the cover of same magazine. So it's been so wonderful. Thank you so much. And yes, NMB has been a fabulous journey. And Umaji, thank you for supporting us. Because all the parts of the old Draupadi, old not in terms of age, but old in terms of mythology, was all done by Umaji. And thank you so much. Because your mythology character of Draupadi inspired us to do the modern characters. So thank you so much, thank you. So what's the point that joins man and a woman together? So we spoke about it, and that time earlier we had another director who backed out actually. So we were all by our own. So Umaji and the hand were all just alone without any the show director or like we say the captain of the ship. So I think when that happens, we all look up to God and say, please help us. That's when we said, okay, let's just plan something, and that's not the new dance which I did just now. The Tanura was introduced. So that's the spiritual dance, which speaks about a connection of God with human beings and how we can control ourselves, condition ourselves, and join ourselves with Him and all of us around. And that's when we introduced Tanura into it. I went to Egypt to learn the dance form, and it's a dance from Egypt. And actually level 1, though it was not very high level course right now what I showed you, but yes, level 1. And that's how Tanura dance came into this picture. Yes. And that's how I would say lots of new things came in because we didn't have a master with us. But I guess that's how it would happen.
See, Sandeep, I think as a person I feel he's a connected person. He may be learning dances to be connected, but I think he's already connected. And what I saw, the dance which he did was, ऐसा लगता है कि उसके चक्कर जो है, it is the space and time, which is even I think if Mr. Einstein has told us something to do with how space and time is in curvature. Matter, what space and time does is makes the matter move. So what we are as matter, it moves in that form. And that is how maybe they say there is Kundalini, Jagrit Hogi. So I think it's a very powerful act. And what I a little bit read, what they told me about is there are these 5 phases. From birth to her youth, getting married to her son, and the children, and then I think to come to this idea of 5 phases depicted, I think it's closer to evolution, which is we're talking about civilization, whereas it reached now. And if Draupadi is still there, if they are trying to tell us it's the modern made, then it rings the bell and it needs to be on the cover. I think play may be a form which is cannot be watched. Well, nowadays they have the live telecast as well, but still, it's a very strong form. It's a very individual form where you connect with the audience. And if you have anything to say about society, about the issues, I think this is the strongest medium. You can really change. You can really, definitely make somebody think. It's not about eating popcorn, watching a film. It's about being business. It's about where have we reached. So I think, again, a print form, which I always feel there could be many ways of reaching out. But when we see somebody has a magazine, which means it's a compilation, it's very definite about what they want to say. And whatever little I heard from Shobha is about alternate healing, it talks about entertainment. But how do you entertain yourself? How do you ease yourself? And I think in a very noble way, you have this play which has far more greater significance to be on the cover. And yes, it is. If it is Taste of Punjab, I think it is Taste of India, which is, I think all should taste it and taste it well in a positive way. That's all I can say.
Amazing, well said.
अर्चना इधर आना। अर्चना राइट में थोड़ा सा इस तरफ आ जाओ। हाँ यार नहीं वो हाथ रखा।
Thank you so much. Parul is not here, but Picture and Craft, thank you so much for being a part of this and making this happen. Sachin ji, thank you so much.
We are out of the so we have one picture.
यहीं पे करेंगे। यहीं पे।
Sachin ji, please come this side, na?
फोटो ले रहे रुक जाओ।
Come next to me.
Rolling, check.
ओके नहीं ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है। सबसे पहले मैं शोभा जी को थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने किसी भी थिएटर का जो पोस्टर है वो उन्होंने कवर पेज पे डाला है। ऐसा आज तक पहले कभी भी नहीं हुआ है। दिस इज़ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट शी हैज़ पुट द पोस्टर ऑफ एनी म्यूजिकल प्ले बैले on the cover page of the magazine. So I would want to thank her. Yes, I'm very delighted and happy to have me on her magazine. And I think my musical was with a very strong message to the society. So media in any form is the only medium to reach out to the people and
my message can reach out to most people if these kind of initiatives would be taken, and thanks to Shobha ji for this.
सो अपन सर एक लीडर के माने जाते हैं, उन्होंने किस तरह कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया आज आपको?
मकरन जी ने मुझे जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया, आई थिंक उन्होंने एक आर्टिस्ट को पहचानते हुए कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है. सो इट रियली इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी, एंड आई विल रियली रिमेंबर व्हाट ही सेड अबाउट मी फॉर एवर. रियली मीन्स अ लॉट.
So what do you have to say about the performance?
देखिए, कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस हम कहते हैं कि एक अनुभव होता है, और वो तभी हो सकता है जब जो परफॉर्मर है वो एक मास्टर हो. यू नो, ही हैज़ टू बी one with the moment, one with his art, and one with his the content. And I think Neha is one, you know, when she performs, and that's what is important. That when you perform, you become something else.
सर आप भी थिएटर से कहीं ना कहीं जुड़े हुए हैं,
जी.
कितना प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ता है प्ले के पहले से, थोड़ा बताएंगे, और आप किस तरह से प्रिपेयर करते हैं
मैं
अपने आप को?
मुझे लगता है अब जहाँ पहुँचा हूँ मैं, नाटक मेरे ख्याल से
स्टार्टिंग स्टेज
मतलब जितनी रिहर्सल करो उतना कम है. पहले तो ये बोल देना अपने आप को कि नाटक अभी भी तैयार नहीं हुआ. नाटक जीवन की तरह है, वो कंप्लीट नहीं होता, वो निरंतर चलता रहता है. और यदि आप उस प्रवाह में शामिल हो, अगर आप तैयार हो तन मन से, तो मुझे लगता है कि आप, वो जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि आज परफॉर्मेंस में मज़ा नहीं आया, वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो वहाँ था नहीं. तो कोशिश यही है कि आज भी हमारी कि हम जब भी परफॉर्म करें हम वहाँ रहें. और उपस्थिति ऐसी होती है कि आप सिर्फ परफॉर्मर हो इसलिए नहीं, कि आज अगर मैं कभी इनका परफॉर्मेंस देख रहा हूँ तो थिएटर उसे ही कहते हैं जब वहाँ पर प्लेयर हो और देखने वाला सामने बैठा हो. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गरिमा वो भी है अपने आप में कलाकार की, कि आप जब स्टेज पे हो और जब आप दर्शक बन बैठो, दोनों भूमिका में आपको उतना ही रस होना चाहिए.
कितना डिफरेंट है ये देखा जाए तो, फिर स्टेज शो करना, बाद मूवीज करना,
मूवीज़ हाँ, और मैं आपको बताऊं वो अलग ही क्राफ्ट है. बहुत मुश्किल है मूवीज़ भी अपनी जगह पे. मुझे लगता है जैसे कि टुकड़ों में हम अगर अपनी ज़िंदगी देखें और एक ज़िंदगी को जोड़ दें तो एक फिल्म बनती है. तो मुझे लगता है वैसे ही परफॉर्मेंस को अगर टुकड़ों में तोड़ा जाए और फिर जोड़ा जाए तो फिल्म बनती है. और एक परफॉर्मेंस स्टेज का जो होता है वो एक लंबा परफॉर्मेंस एक साथ में आप देख सकते हैं.
क्या लेके नया आ रहे हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स के, ऑडियंस के लिए, आप इसमें फीचर्स
है फिल्म, 2 फिल्में हैं लेकिन मैं नाम नहीं बता सकता. लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कह सकता हूँ कि इस वर्ष मेरी हिंदी में 3 फिल्में रिलीज़ होनी चाहिए और मराठी में 2.